Hi, welcome to Waiterio. Today I'm going to show you how to split payments in the Waiterio app. Waiterio allows you to split payments and accept partial payments with different payment methods. The customer may want to split a payment for many reasons. For example, two or more customers wish to pay only a part of the bill, or a customer wishes to pay the bill with two different payment methods like cash or credit card. You can split the payment by following these steps. In the Waiterio app, create a new order. Once done, you can navigate to the Orders tab. Click on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of the order. Then choose Payment. Click on any of the orders. Click on the Pay button to continue. Choose a payment method. In this example, cash is selected. Then click on the Paid with Cash button. The paid item is shown below. Complete the remaining unpaid orders by following the steps done with the previous method. This time we will choose credit card as a form of payment. Once completed, all the items are seen under the paid screen. Orders that have been fully paid may be hidden if the option Hide Paid is set to Yes in the Account tab. You can always review paid orders and their payment methods in the Reports tab. There we have it, a short video on how to split payments in the Waiterio app. Thank you very much and have a great day.